Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, we have some great weather ahead. The scattered showers and thunderstorms have pushed away. Now, it's a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is it's out of here for Labor Day weekend. The bad thing is there are a lot of areas that still need rain. We did not get widespread rain out of the last couple of days. Now, as we take a look at our rainfall totals for the month, 1.6 at KCI and average is 4.24. Look over in St. Louis, 1.36. They average about 4 inches. The average rainfall in western Kansas is about 3 inches, so about average, a little bit below there. Central Kansas, some good rains there, and same with northern Missouri. And when you add the percentages over the last 30 days, now this includes the last couple of days of July where it did rain. So what I just showed you was August monthly rainfall total. And what I'm showing you here is 30-day percentage of average. So it includes the last couple of days of July, and there was some rain. That's why it's 57% of average in Kansas City. But when you don't include July, it's only about 30% of average at KCI. Regardless, could use some rain in some spots. Look at St. Louis, 25% of average, and there's better rains out in central and western Kansas. How much rain over the next week or so? Well, there will be some rain, about 1/10 to an inch. It's not a lot. Average is about 1.5 inches per week this time of year still, and 1 to 2 to the south and way off into central Illinois, and maybe 1/2 to 1 to our north and west. Now, these heavier totals could still move around based on how thunderstorms set up. Now, the question is, when will that rain occur? So let's go through this here. I can tell you right now, no rain around here today on beautiful weather. Temperatures 80 to 85, closer to 85. Now, there are going to be scattered thunderstorms down near the lake, Table Rock Lake, Branson into Arkansas. So if you are heading down there, or you're watching this and you are down there, or you know somebody down there, there could be some scattered thunderstorms through the afternoon and evening. Keep an eye to the sky, especially at all times if you're out and about, especially on the lake. Now, that front up to the north will come through here tomorrow with no clouds, and 85 to 90 in northern Nebraska out ahead of it. But by tomorrow, that front moves through. We're 80 to 85 again, but closer to 80 than 85. And scattered thunderstorms still hugging the Arkansas-Missouri border, still could affect Table Rock Lake and down there in the southern part of the Ozarks and into Arkansas. But for us, just great weather. How about 65 to 70 in the Great Lakes without clouds? That is really fall-like. And for us, our fall-like field day will come on Labor Day. Lows in the 50s, highs at 75 to 80 degrees. Really, really very, very nice weather. Now, all right, let's keep going here. When's that rain going to show up? Well, not on Monday. Now, this shows a lot of clouds. But these are high, thin clouds, cirrus clouds. The sun will be able to shine through them. So Monday looks great. Labor Day there. On Tuesday looks good. And on Wednesday it looks good. Maybe a little more humid and a few clouds there on Wednesday. So the weather looks great for the Royals and the Guardians. Hopefully it's a battle for first place. Let's assume they win the next 2 games and put the last 2 behind them. We shall see. I can't believe they lost Vinny Pasquantino. Oh, well, we'll see how that goes. They're still well into the playoff hunt. And you can see on Wednesday there on the southern edge some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Well, watch what happens on Thursday. Another big sporting game on Thursday, game in sports. The Chiefs and the Ravens here on KSHB 41. We are tracking a weather system from the south that could bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and a weather system from the north that could bring a little more widespread rain and thunderstorms, not too unlike what happened on Thursday when we had to deal with the KU game at Children's Mercy Park. We had those scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. They lasted a couple hours. They moved out, and it was a beautiful evening. And then the main band limped in here later Thursday night and into Friday, making for some great weather for the game. So let's hope that happens for the Chiefs game, because you can see there at noon some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So what we're going with right now is 83 for tailgating, 78 at kickoff, isolated thunderstorms during tailgating, maybe towards kickoff they'll move away, and then an increasing chance of thunderstorms as you go home heading after the game. And as we look at that powercast here at 7 o'clock at kickoff, you can see we are right in between here with some scattered thunderstorms to the south, more organized to the north. And then by 11 p.m., all of a sudden, they're everywhere. Well, the game kicks off at 7:20 here on KSHB 41. And so maybe the Chiefs can make quick work of the Ravens, and it'll be over with by 10:30. Sometimes it does go till 11, so we'll be cutting it close there. We just need this to be a couple hours slower, and we are in great shape. And then it moves off on Friday, and that's where the 1/10 to 1 inch comes in. But you could see a few spots could see more. So again, we'll have to see how all that evolves. There's also a big game tonight out at K-State. UT Martin, the Skyhawks. The weather looks great for tailgating, a little warm, 85. Kickoff will be about 83. You can see that in the blog there in the text portion of the blog. So for today, noon, 78, 85 here this afternoon, 60 tomorrow morning, 82 in the afternoon on Sunday. And look at the super 10-day forecast, 77 on Labor Day after a low of 54, 79 Tuesday, a low of 55, then on Wednesday, 82 with a low of 60, and there's that chance of thunderstorms there Thursday into Friday, hopefully after the Chiefs game. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy.